But to do the figure 8 stitch, pull some yarn out. Let me zoom this in a bit. Wrong way. The figure 8 stitch is very just as it is explained. You're doing a figure 8, which this is coming from in between these two. So behind one, around the other. So it is the shape of a figure 8. You take both loops off. Now this is not a stitch you can wrap the whole row and do, because see how the yarn is coming from in between those two? You skip one and then wrap back one. So this one is actually was actually wrapped the previous time. And see, so this one will be rewrapped again too. See? This is what you do, just back and forth until you have it to your elbows. Once you have